Updating your billing address on Trezor Suite is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open Trezor Suite. Launch the Trezor Suite application on your computer or access it through your web browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log into your Trezor Suite account. Make sure you have your device connected if required. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon found in the main menu. Step 4. Access billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Trezor to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Update your address. Edit your billing address by entering the new information in the designated fields. After making the changes, save or confirm the updates to ensure they are applied. Make sure to double-check your new billing address for accuracy. Keeping your information up to date helps ensure smooth transactions and communication.